I've seen a lot of strange things covered in science, but nothing quite like these. Let's dive into some of the world's most jaw-dropping mysteries. No special effects, just reality at its weirdest. Imagine climbing a volcano in the dead of night. You're expecting red-hot lava, but instead you see electric blue flames pouring down the mountain's sides, painting rivers of light through the darkness. It's not lava, it's burning sulfuric gas, igniting the moment it hits oxygen. The result? A scene that wouldn't look out of place in a science fiction blockbuster, and a reminder that the Earth doesn't always follow the rules we expect. Now, picture yourself in the deserts of Algeria, stumbling upon a magnetic rock so powerful, it scrambles your phone, spins your compass, and even confuses your car. Geologists found this thing contains elements usually buried deep in planetary cores. The best guess? It might be a chunk of ancient asteroid, a piece of space history just lying in the sand. Meanwhile in Norway, thousands watched as a perfect white-blue spiral appeared in the night sky. It hovered, rotated, then disappeared. Some scientists blamed a failed missile test, but the spiral was too perfect, too mesmerizing. To this day, nobody's entirely sure what it was. Travel with me to Madagascar, where researchers found the tiniest chameleon ever, smaller than your fingernail. And get this. Its skin doesn't just change color to blend in, it actually shifts with its mood, turning blue when stressed, pale green when calm. Nature's got mood rings, apparently. In Germany, workers digging a tunnel broke through to a sealed stone door, carved with lines and squares that look suspiciously like binary code. The door's over 6,000 years old, but the patterns, uncracked. Linguists and cryptographers are still scratching their heads. Head to New Zealand, where scientists recorded earthquakes under a lake, but these quakes ticked along at perfect intervals, like a heartbeat. Divers found massive hollow stone tubes under the water, aligned almost too perfectly to be natural. Was it geology, or something else? In Egypt, archaeologists at the Saqqara necropolis found a coffin made from a metal unknown to science. The seams are fused so tightly that even modern tools can't open it. Whatever's inside is still a mystery. Off Hawaii, sailors saw a blazing ball of fire floating just above the waves for 15 minutes. Thermal sensors, no heat, water, untouched, then gone. Sometimes the ocean keeps its secrets. In Finland's forests, giant white snow ghosts stand silent in the frost. Trees coated in thick ice, shaped into haunting human-like forms by the wind. They look like ancient guardians watching over the frozen wild. And deep in a South African mine, explorers found a cave made entirely of crystal. Walls, floor, ceiling, the whole thing shimmering like a diamond vault. But inside, the temperature soars past 60 degrees Celsius, making it almost impossible to stay for long. So, the next time you think you've seen it all, remember, our planet's got tricks up its sleeve. Which one left you speechless? Let me know in the comments.